Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. So like we learned yesterday, we are working with that long A sound this week, the A words, except they're not just any A words. They're words with a I in them and a Y. They both make the same sound, but the letters are different. So for today in your volume 2 of your Journeys Reader's Notebook, you are going to work on pages 34, 35, and 36. So the first page on page 34, I think you're going to find it to be really, really easy. You're really good with sorting those spelling words with how the different patterns are in the word. So today you're going to sort the words that have a I in them and a Y. Now, first, I'll do a few with you. So the first word I see on my list right here on page 34 is the word play, P-L-A-Y. Right away, I know, okay, it has the A-Y at the end. So I'm going to write play over here under that. Then I'm going to cross play off of my list. My next word is grain, G-R-A-I-N. I see the A-I in grain. So grain will come over here. G-R-A-I-N. Then I'm going to cross it off my list. Now, I'm going to pick two more from our list. I'm not going to go in order. How about day? What day is it? D-A-Y. Where do you think that would go? D-A-Y. I don't see or hear an A-I in it, but I do hear A-Y. So day will come over here. And let's do one more. Rain. Do you like to listen to the rain? R-A-I-N. Did you hear it? Did you hear which letters I see? R-A-I-N. So rain is going to go over here. Now, I'm wondering if any of you have noticed, look at these two words, grain and rain. If I cover up the G in grain, look what I have. I have the same word. Rain is inside the word grain. I just added a different letter. You add a letter and you make a totally new word. I wonder if you can find any other words within our spelling words. Let me know if you can. I can't wait to hear if you find any other words. So after you do 34, you're going to sort all of our spelling words just into those two categories. Then you're going to look at page 35. It gives you a word bank of some holidays, some months, and some days of the week. It says Labor Day, Tuesday, May, June, Saturday, and August. Now all of those start with capital letters because they are proper nouns. They have a capital at the beginning. It says listen to the names in the word bank. Read along and circle the month, day, or holiday in each sentence below. Then write it correctly on the line. Now, I'm going to tell you these two sentences, they have those holidays in there, but there's something wrong. The person who wrote this, guess what? They messed up and they did not put a capital. So you need to find the holiday, the month, whatever fancy proper noun it is, and give it a capital. And then on the bottom part, it says draw a line under the correct sentence in each pair. So you're going to have to look and see which sentence is done correctly. Does it have a capital where it should have a capital? If it does, then that's your correct one. And your last page for today is, you just go back, is page 36. So on page 36, you get to write a friendly letter to somebody. explaining, telling about a meal that you had. Maybe it was your favorite meal. Maybe for your birthday you had spaghetti and meatballs and that is your favorite meal. Maybe you had a picnic under a shade tree and you had peanut butter and jelly and that was your special meal. So it gives you some blanks to fill in, explaining what you ate, who you ate it with, and then it gives you space for a question at the bottom. Maybe you could ask the person you're writing your letter to if they like that certain food or if they have ever had a special meal. So if I was going to write one, I would say, Dear Trinity, I ate spaghetti and meatballs with Cole and Jacob and Matt. We had so many SpaghettiOs and meatballs. It got all over the table. Do you like to eat spaghetti and meatballs? From Mrs. Daniels. So that is how you can write your letter. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just any meal that was special to you. There is also, for today, a link on the lesson plan from our class story on Dojo that sends you to another video about how your food is made and where your food comes from. So go ahead and give that a watch also, and I will see you back here in just a little bit for our math lesson.